Welcome to Occam's Razors, gardening, canning, and cooking. I said that backwards. Gardening, cooking, and canning. You gotta cook it before you can it. Let's check on the progress this morning on the grass. Well, yesterday decided to cut the lawn, and my 20-year-old lawnmower finally bit the biscuit. And I had to go with the Canadian Tire. Get the cheapest model on the floor. I don't have a big yard. I don't need a lot of power. It's not like I'm out cutting grass for a living. Oh, we have a visitor. Hey. Where'd you go? Oh, yeah. Yeah, every year some robins hanging around. All right, well, the compost potatoes are doing just fine. Yeah, so I got the new lawnmower, and it works sweet. You know, the kind that starts on the first pull. I mean, I could have got it fixed, but really, I think the fuel management system was starting to leak inside, and I think I've just banged off one too many rocks with it. And the bearing in the center that rotates the blade is damaged. There's a bit of a back and forth. Yeah, so when something's off balance like that, you're just, yeah, it's time. Well, look at the pepper plants, see? Look at that. Look at this guy go. Little prepped up there after I gave him some banana juice yesterday. Look at these. These are getting ready to flower here too. A couple of days, it's going to be bloom time. All right, no, not warm enough. So waiting for these sunflowers to come up. Still nothing. They might not come up. Well, the third leaf has started on all of these. And, oh, look at that, eh? A little bit of leaf munchin. Right there and there. The leading trio in the corner, still left alone. Guess you got to sacrifice some other plants just to get a few going. Oh yeah, ooh, big spider web on the sage plant. Look at this. Look at these. Eh? All right, Mr. Peas, I know I'm gonna have to train them. Yeah, all they're doing is grabbing each other. What's this here? Yeah. Well, this is perfect. Just grand. Now, if we can stay pestilence free for the growing season, we should get nice coverage. Nice coverage over all this. Maybe we'll replicate it, what I got the first year, which was the best year for coverage that I had. All right, how's the onion? Well, I pulled up one winter onion yesterday, and it was seed pod starts just like that. You can just pull it right away. So good to eat. You don't want to hang on too long, though. It'll start going soft on you. Oh, seriously? All right, well, guess the neighbor decided to cut his grass at 8 o'clock in the morning. Or maybe that's his rotor tiller. Is it? Or maybe he's got one of those backup generators like my other neighbor, who his turns on at 9 o'clock in the morning. Every Monday morning. For a systems test. No, that sounds like a lawn tractor. Alright, well, these zucchinis are doing good. And how's the attack on the beans? Hey? Hey, look at that, you poor buggers. Alright, another one's coming out of the ground. Can we see it? See it there? There it is right there. Yeah. All right. Well, and how are the potatoes? So, still really not seeing many of those seed potatoes coming up. I mean, hydrostatically, this part of the yard gets the most water. Now, temperature is supposed to finally go up to daily highs around 20 or higher now. Next 3 or 4 days or so. Oh, what is this? What is this? Why? Why are you digging, squirrels? And it's the squirrels. Look. See? Look. You're digging around my potato. Why are you doing that? Is it you like the smell of fresh potato sprouts coming out of the ground? That's been the worst year. Although, I think around the neighborhood, I think I've seen a lot more black squirrels this year. Yeah, population check. All right, well, that's it for the backyard. Let's go check on the front. All right, back to the front. Lamb's breath. Look at you guys. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, see, the fast competition now is finally starting to come around. And oh, look at that. That's how quick they come up, eh? Let's get rid of that milkweed. Oh yeah. Waiting for that next growth spurt to happen right there. The little sunflower, you too. Okay. Look at that. Just so fast. Let's get rid of that one. All right. Now, have the squashes come up yet in the back? It's early June now, you buggers better start coming up. Let's check that one plant. There it is. Still doing good. I'm gonna have to come out here and throw some more pumpkin seeds in. I'm starting to get nervous. Because this one pumpkin plant back here and the other one on the other end, I'm making a mountain out of a molehill. I think I have enough plants growing already. All right. Okay. So look at this, and now we're getting some nice big leaves over here for the morning glories. And they're all battling it out here. Just all battling it out. Okay. Now let's look at our birdshit berry bush. Oh yeah. Look at these. Okay. Well, there you have it. All right, this has been Occam's Riggers, gardening, cooking, and canning. We'll see you next time, tomorrow, for the next gardening update. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.